TC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Right on cue, the showers here at the station have begun to fall, and they're on the moderate, maybe even heavy side, and they're going to be that way at least for the next 20 to 30 minutes or so, especially within Lafayette Parish. Those will be lifting up into St. Landry Parish later on this evening. These are the showers we thought after midnight, but these warm fronts during the evening are a little tricky. They really get the timing down, so they're coming a little bit earlier, but I do expect the showers to be with us tonight. Break tomorrow with warming temperatures, and it does look like a drying trend Friday before another round of showers on Saturday. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, you can see those showers that have begun to develop around 7, 8 o'clock. We had a decent little storm system even move through St. Mary Parish that produced a little bit of hail towards the Patterson area. You can see that move through, now heading off to the east, but all of us are now starting to see at least some scattered activity, at least through central Acadiana. That is going to be the story at least for the next hour or so, but I do think by midnight most of this begins to lift to the north. You can see those showers that we have moving through with some of the darker shades showing up, so definitely some moderate to heavy showers possible working through. They're coming from the south-southwest and moving to the north-northeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, so they are some fast-moving systems, but you can see more rain down into Vermilion Parish, so we'll have more of this training its way up into Lafayette, so it might be closer to 11:30, 12 o'clock before we see the showers officially come to an end locally. Also have some more showers working in towards the coastal areas of Vermilion Parish and working up into Iberia. So it is going to be a little bit of a rainy night for the next couple hours, but as the models show, most of this will begin to lift up to the north through the overnight. So locally, we should be drying out, maybe a few showers still across northern and western portions of Acadiana tomorrow morning to get our Thursday started. Then you do see some drying during the afternoon. This is all because a warm front is lifting out of the Gulf of Mexico. Showers are way out ahead of this front. The front is still lagging behind, but eventually it does push through, allowing for warmer air as temperatures get back into the 70s tomorrow afternoon. You can see most of our Thursday will be dry once we get through the morning showers. Going into Friday, front turns more stationary, heavier showers up to the north, but you can't rule out a hit or miss passing shower Friday afternoon. But the bigger story is temperatures approaching the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, so a very spring and muggy Friday. By Saturday, it turns into a warm front. Things get breezy out ahead of it, so it's going to be a very breezy start to our Saturday and another warm one with temperatures pushing the upper 70s. But you do see by Saturday afternoon our next cold front moving into the area, so a decent chance for some moderate to possibly heavy showers, even a few thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. The timing with this now at 3 o'clock, so could interrupt some of those afternoon parades, maybe as they're getting ready for Rio. But it does look like if the timing's correct, we get the showers off to the east. Things are drying out. Still will be wet, but it won't be raining as the parade is ongoing if this timing continues to go forward as planned for Saturday. So good news for the Rio. We hope we can get the rain out of here in time. Then turning cooler with lots of sunshine for our Sunday. So finally, it looks like a sun-filled day by about Sunday. So we still have several more days before we see that sunshine again, with temperatures falling into the 60s. So rainfall through the rest of this evening will go quarter to a half inch. Some higher amounts the farther north you get. Then adding in the totals from what we could see Friday into the weekend, up to about an inch total. So not looking at any real flooding concerns, but some much needed rain will be returning to the area. Marginal risk for severe weather areas on northward for Friday afternoon as that stationary front develops and we get that warmer air in play, increasing the instability. Hail and damaging wind gusts looks to be the main threat, but locally looks like it's just the very northern tier of Acadiana in that marginal risk. So temperatures this evening pretty much holding steady in those mid-50s. That's how we start off tomorrow morning. We'll get into the upper 60s to lower 70s, so a little bit more milder, feeling like spring. Then turning very spring-like as those temperatures really climb Friday afternoon, pushing 80 degrees. So a cloudy and cool night, a few hit or miss showers early, along with the possibility for maybe a storm mixed in. 60% chance for the rain during the overnight. Another dreary day with lots of clouds, but we will warm back into those 70s. We'll go 30-40% chance for a passing shower tomorrow afternoon. Similar story Friday, higher rain chances Saturday, clearing out by Sunday, and then moving into next week, back to that El Nino kind of dreary pattern with lots of clouds around and slight rain chances just about each and every day.
All right, thanks, Eric.